Welcome to CUAV Carefully Planned UAV Base. This is a comprehensive platform integrating efficient operations, security, and customer experience. The base adopts refined zoning management to ensure that UAV assembly and debugging, operation control, takeoff, and landing are carried out in an orderly manner. The first is the work area, where our engineers will carry out UAV assembly, parameter debugging, and other work to ensure that each factory UAV is in optimal condition and ready to perform various tasks at any time. The takeoff area is the starting point for the UAV to take off. This area is cleared of obstacles to effectively avoid interference factors and maintain a certain distance from the surrounding environment to help the UAV fly into the blue sky and complete various performance tests. The debugged UAV will be waiting to take off in the operation preparation area. Our operators will control the UAV in the safe area. Customers can observe the takeoff, landing and conversion process of the UAV at close range in the safe area, as well as watch the UAV operations in real time on the ground station in the container. The CUAV's UAV base can realize the entire process from assembly and debugging to takeoff operations, which not only improves work efficiency and ensures flight safety, but also provides a unique customer participation and observation experience. Partners from all walks of life are welcome to visit, witness the excellence of the CUAV's UAV base, and share the infinite possibilities brought by UAV technology.